different methods. What do you mean by a square of a number? When number is multiplied with itself, what we get is called square of that particular number. For example, square of 2 will be 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Square of 3 will be 3 into 3, which is equal to 9, and so on. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about finding square of some specific numbers, and we will use some very interesting short methods to find out the square. So let us look at this very interesting exercise where we want to find out square of 41, next square of 29, and we also will perform one multiplication, which is 51 into 49. So we will see that this multiplication will also involve finding square of some number. So now let us start with the first question where we want to find out square of 41. Now square of 41 is nothing but 41 into 41, and I can perform usual multiplication between these two numbers which are equal to each other, and if I can find out this particular product, which will give me nothing but square of 41. But there is one very easier method available to find out square of 41. Now 41 square I can write as 40 plus 1 square. Now 40 plus 1 square can be expanded using the formula for a plus b the whole square. So we have a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if I apply this particular formula here, then in place of a it is 40 and in place of b it is 1. So what do we get? We get 40 square plus 2 into a into b, which is 40 into 1, plus b square, which is 1 square. Now here 40 square we know is nothing but 1600. Finding 40 square is easier compared to finding 41 square directly. 40 square is nothing but 4 square, which is 16, and this single zero will repeat here. So we'll have 2 zeros because there was single zero in units place in the original number. So 40 square is 1600 that we use here. This is 40 into 2, which is 80, and this is nothing but 1. So finally this becomes 1681. That is nothing but the square of number 41. Similarly, I can now take up the next question where I want to find out square of 29. Square of 29 can again be found using usual multiplication approach, 29 into 29, but we will find square of 29 once again using a shortcut method. We all know that 29 can be written as 30 minus 1. So 29 square will be 30 minus 1 square. Now here I will apply the formula for a minus b square. A minus b square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's see what do we get here. In place of a we have 30, so this becomes 30 square minus 2ab, which will be 30 into 1, and plus b square is nothing but 1 square. Now 30 square will be what, students? 3 square is nothing but 9, and the 0 will repeat twice, so it becomes 900, minus 30 into 2 becomes 60 plus 1. So here this further becomes 900 minus 59, minus 60 plus 1 is minus 59, and 900 minus 59 will be nothing but 841. You can easily verify 841 plus 59 will give you 900. So this is my final answer for 29 square. Now we can see that I can no doubt very easily verify this particular squares. For example, if I want to find out square of 41, then we multiply 41 with itself, and let's see what do we get. So we get 41 into 1, which will be nothing but 41, plus 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So we get 1, 4 plus 4 is 8, 6, 1. You can see we get 1681 as square of 41. And you can do the same thing for 29 square also. Let us now quickly go through one last question that we have, number 3, where I want to find out 51 into 49. Now here, students, I can write 51 as 50 plus 1 and 49 as 50 minus 1. Otherwise, I can perform 51 into 49 using similar standard multiplication procedure. But if I write 51 into 49 in this particular form, then I can use the formula a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. And hence here we get 50 into 50, which is a square, so it will be 50 square minus b square is nothing but 1 square. Now 50 square will be how much, students? 50. 5 square is 25, and this single zero will repeat. 50 square is 2500 and 1 square is 1. So 2500 minus 1 becomes 2499. So that is the answer for 51 into 49. And as you can see that we have found this very easily using just a couple of calculations. So I hope, students, this first type of questions are clear to everyone. Let us now look at few more numbers and see how to find their squares using similar interesting short methods.